Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make live lobster using an easy method. First, gather your fresh live lobster, a very large pot, and all your essential cooking tools. Make sure your pot is big enough to fully submerge the lobster. Also, prepare a large bowl of ice water. This will be crucial for shocking the lobster after cooking. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and delicious cooking experience for everyone. Now let's get cooking. Bring a large pot of heavily salted water, about 2 gallons, to a vigorous rolling boil. Carefully, and with tongs, place the live lobster head first into the boiling water. Cover the pot and cook for approximately 8 to 12 minutes for a 1.5-pound lobster. Adjust cooking time for larger or smaller lobsters, adding about 3 minutes per additional pound. Knowing when your lobster is perfectly cooked is key. The most obvious sign is when its shell turns a vibrant, bright red color all over. For precision, the internal temperature of the thickest part of the tail meat should reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, immediately transfer the lobster to your prepared ice bath to stop the cooking process and preserve its tender texture. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying your delicious creation. Carefully crack open the shell to reveal the succulent meat in the tail and claws. You can use a nutcracker or your hands. Serve your perfectly cooked lobster with warm melted butter, fresh lemon wedges, or your favorite dipping sauce. Get ready to savor every tender, flavorful bite of this incredible meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.